enra meti asem bi ho kira wo kakra na ena no me hyeda enche wo ho pi ba me pese me kɔ machi kakra because enra me ka cho say asem na o ma panyin na Nana Akufo Addo kan ye e ma ne Ekumfifo abema respond no ye ya ne adama story ni pie yo onim say meeting na course no obia concentration ekodi former president Atamils ne autopsy report and Henry Eka say ya wote asem we bra betie ekotie ne ehu so ma panyin say bomb botoye no e chen voter region de no kro koye no ye kan ya na Ghana fo bia media sha say obi e ka bi but enra me ti hu kira o kakra say na nanom ayemfo mo ewo Ekumfi aye press conference but tie we answer moya sama Nana do kayo na say me ka say obi ka say asa we Nana do kayo na say me ka say obi ka say asa we too hard on Nana do menya hard enti tie asam a ohima bi bisa na asam ohima ba aku bi ohia ha enti mayetie Nana do response ode ma ohima ni bisa no kosa say omo developmental projects kra wo area kono enwa techema tie muaya Nana do ayade autopsy report ho nkomo akwa nanim no tie report ode ma wo
akra atokujo no yeah MP wo the man be minister or be deputy minister they need to say when you say namson so be sha say bibi amamo Ekumfi na anko actually election for by a no free hall then you know can be like a cramit we aka say me me kakra so free man kan no kra na nye ba yes so mobe matide mo kan anyway
yalla way so one the kind of president
in a video which has since gone viral, the president categorically and emphatically stated that he had decided to ignore the people of Ekumfi and deny us of developmental projects because we did not vote to retain the new patriotic party, that is the MPP parliamentary candidate for the constituency during the last general election. We are extremely shocked by these statements and struggle to believe same to be true because we particularly did not believe that the president, who is mandated by the Constitution to be responsible for the development of the country, could politically segregate the country and treat others with disdain and dislike, and vehemently deny us development because we did not vote for his preferred candidate. By our understanding of the very Constitution, which recognizes free and fair elections, one of which made His Excellency Nana Akufo Addo the president, there is no provision in the 19th which, or for that matter, any other constituency must elect to represent him in parliament as their legislature. We therefore cannot fathom why the president has abandoned all ongoing developmental projects in the constituency, particularly the construction of roads in Ekumfi. So the people of Ekumfi will suffer simply because we could not vote to retain Honorable Atukujo as Member of Parliament. If this is the reason the president has neglected and denied us of developmental projects, then we, Ekumfi citizens, including myself and everybody within Ekumfi, demand scientific data to illustrate what the former MP did for the people of Ekumfi before he ceased to be the MP of the people of Ekumfi. Our belief is that an accurate data will justify the present claim. The reason the people has neglected Ekumfi has once again lost miserably in the NPP internal party primaries to elect a parliamentary candidate for the 2024 general election. If the president's own party folks could reject Honorable Atukujo, why must the chiefs and the people of Ekumfi suffer for his exit in 2022? We are deeply worried about the statement made by the president.
What's your Nana for a press conference on ye and stories and near what can be segmented on that draw. It's in this particular story, Yentim Young Kum, but me bought voice on a mao. Now they prepare wagon for a neck. You know, sir, I'm a penny another Nana Akufo Addo et was to say, yeah. Nasa signal or send Yama gun of what should I say? Or you're very discriminative. And I don't know any pebia. So wouldn't enough one to ba mana. Nessa won't cano, just a wouldn't na dream. Na Jinibisano, yam friend the president. You know why? Maybe some bisa na dum pose. Ono ni krom chebi hokra no say ya ni stronghold na. Na ni abra na wo kwa chebi ni ba bia. Yagu asphalt de wifi akwa afunsieze nyina aka ho no. So anye bia. NDC anya 1 vote mpo wa na. Chebi fo nya na to abama na na do. Eti ade na na dwen kire ne se eya by force say e was a Ghana fo nyina to abama no. Say ya see ya the democracy e na ebu oman ya. Eye den na ye the democracy ebu oman. Ni ya obi adwen san ye ne say. Wo wadwen na kita wo na me ka me de na so waka wo de no. Wo wo de an manka. Me de na me ka no mom ne yentie. Say look as if say aso ma panya ya ne ho se kofi wa ma fi mani. Ofo bia ho. And why na adwen say at all hey and funny ho 8 years no wa kwa wie enti asem bia wona num opeso ka kire Ghana for no opeso ka. Now you see you do this and you turn around and you come and present Bawumia to Ghana for see and to abama. Wo we are wo did Ghana for tem we are no one presenting Bawumia ya wa be de kire ma Ghana for see and to abama Bawumia. Now why mo na wudi ni pane bra Ghana for no wo suban to say question no. And listen, it look as if the presidency walk around no trouble problem or presidency you. Because what here no him for press conference no yeah na they were categorically stated say one mo de omuni ma him for bia e Ekumfi amoya former president ma the late Atamu Sebusiafo a amokwa ma panyi ho so amokwa akopra autopsy report. And to due diligence ben and a one more be a crime man crofon ko hu Nana Akufo no and son of mu say ampa these were genuine people from the late Atamu's family and from Ekumfi. This is the case Ekumfi I am for way Paramount chief amai hino and I press conference was say omu ko ho no omu ni momo. And according to the checks Amu suma obi a Nana Akufo was say amu autopsy report aye bibi enti eya dan na yetimi bie kwan ma enkrofo bia yenim baabi a wo mu free na mu kwa president was say ye kwa autopsy report. And that's the reason why I will continue to tell my good friend and uncle Kwaku Anyido ho say onyi ne hu free sa na emanim. So the pettiness a woni mu fa John Mahama ho toa so a obegu ne ho anim ase. Because when we ya adwuma wa yama Ghana ne the political career baby a wa build ye do no say asa wa twitwi ne fom etu obi a so de anu wa ka de opekere no na ka Kwaku Anyido ho nya nipa e wase ye de ne tira TV ne radio so ehoro no me masama ehia me awie ne say amase Nana Akufo Danko Akufo Addo onko revisit ni note wouldn't say aman hini wakana Nana Akufo asempa. Go and revise your notes. And just oh you penya as a wobe kasa won ro note him. Won tina say ndwen wan sa no ba be kan. Etu betina se de bebe bia no aka ne saa. Asamo aman penya Akufo Addo kan ye no. Wouldn't say so your man bia ye serious ah. E was say kasem we ye funny serious because taxpayers money na Nana Akufo adi ye adwuma no. Enya chebi fo nko adea. Enya chebi fo nko adea. Ena enya asante man nko adea. Ena enya abunu fo nko adea. Ena enya omo to abama Nana Akufo nko tax ene ye wo Ghana ha. obia owo Ghana ha bi oye Ghana ni oye adwuma including nkura kro omokoto tofe e wo shop omokura tua tax enti pa se wono peso okire Ghana fo say mo anto aba mame enti na magi mani afiri mo so basa wo de tax e ba de a wo chama obi anya bi meboa nipa na wo claim say Ekumfi for rejected intino wo de anwa bufuo ene ho pettiness ene ekọ the whole oman no so no wa wo party kura reject no okọ primacy no so ya papa ana no wa wini so ya correct you betimi agina party ni dimu no wa wini na kuro ni nyina agini tum say wa ya bibi papa bi e de ma Ekumfi a adan na party no internally NPP for na akasa eto abetia no ah eti ese na nanom ahen for press conference you amoye say ya wo obi otu o mapanya Akufo Addo for pa e for papa abawo mu a e wo se nkobe pasem papa bi e ka kire na nanom na o makoma to moyem seven predia san ya wo obi a wote wo tu na nadofo a wo tu na futu papa eka this time the council of state who won faso enyama bi say na council of state who hia mu tu na nadofo mu kire no ba bi onfa ensema wo so ka ene de enu kwa so ka because whatever be the case he's the president of the land and we have to give him the needed respect. Base kodru baby na so mampanyin na nkasa mu na ye pese ye man respect no and respect Ghana for a it's so painful na etoda bi na se o mampanyin na mu mpo na eye se ya ebe na the ministers akwakeka nsam hu na watimi atwe wo ma balai nim and that's the reason why Ketia Montimi ko gina baby anu akasa wa not a cabinet meeting mu me say that is the reason why Ketia Montimi tina bedwam no aka dope steka mutimi tina bedwam no make ka de omope wuntumi mutumi tina bedwam no make ka de omope obi anya obi ahute because panyin no no di animu no ono kra bia na no aka west. Can we continue like this? The answer is no. And we will not even entertain it. Ewa Ghana ha yent so been to Abama wa would you the planet task but one young puntu juma. What kind of logic is that one?
Onua 95.1 FM. 95.1 FM. Yeah,